So today's session, we are going to start with the subject Environmental Studies 2, that is EVS 2, and with the new lesson, the Oath of Swaraj. Okay, children? Hope you all are good and fine, safe. Good afternoon to all my dear children. We'll start the session. Let's wait for 1 minute more and then I'm going to share my screen. Okay? You all can hear me, no? You all can hear my voice? Am I audible to you all? Yes, you can hear me. Good. Thank you. Thank you, children. You can hear me. So now I'll share my screen. Okay? So today's subject, Environmental Studies 2, that is EVS 2. And today we'll start with the new lesson, that is lesson number 6, the Oath of Swaraj. What is the meaning of oath? Oath means promise. Oath means what? Promise. Vow. We take the vow, no? That is called oath. Oath means promise. And Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. So in this chapter, let us see what main points are there. The temple at Raireshwar. Okay. Second, the fiery eloquence of young Shivaji. The fiery. What is the meaning of fiery? Strong. Fiery means strong. Eloquence means speech. Means the strong speech of young Shivaji. The oath of Swaraj. The promise of Swaraj. So more points are there. Preparations in the Mawal Valley. Preparations in the Mawal Valley. Friends in Mawal. And Shivaji's royal seal. So here you can see 6 main points are there. What are they? The temple at Raireshwar, the fiery eloquence of young Shivaji, and the oath of Swaraj. Today we are going to do 2 points. The temple at Raireshwar and the fiery eloquence of young Shivaji. Okay? Today we will do 2 main points. So I repeat again, the temple at Raireshwar, the fiery eloquence of young Shivaji means the strong speech of young Shivaji, the oath of Swaraj, preparations in the Mawal Valley, friends in Mawal, and Shivaji's royal seal. So let's start with the first main point, that is the temple at Raireshwar. That is the temple of Raireshwar. To the southwest of Pune, there is a beauty spot. Beauty spot means place where to the southwest of Pune, there is a beautiful place called Raireshwar. Where to the southwest of Pune, there is a beautiful place called Raireshwar, famous for its temple. Which temple? Shiva temple. Famous for its temple, that is Shiva temple. In the year 1645, And extraordinary. What is the meaning of extraordinary? Extraordinary means wonderful or great. Great event took place. Great occasion took place. Shivaji and a few Mavlas from the neighboring valley. What is valley? Valley means a low area of land between hills or mountains. In one word, you can say hollow. So, what happened in the year 1645? An extraordinary event means in the year 1645, and great occasion took place where? At Raireshwar. Shivaji and few Maulas from the neighboring valley had gathered there, means they all have collected there. Why had they come to this lovely spot, means place? Why these Maulas and Shivaji Maharaj had come to this lovely place hidden in deep forest? Hidden in the deep forest. What did they discuss? Discuss means what did they had a talk about, and what favor, what kindness did they ask to Lord Shiva? Okay, means why they had come to this lovely spot, hidden. Hidden means chup gaya, hidden in deep forest. And what did they have discussed? Means what these Maulas and Shivaji Maharaj has talked about, and what favor, what approval, what kindness did they ask of Lord Shiva? This was the first part, main point, the temple at Raireshwar. Now, the second main point, the fiery eloquence of young Shivaji. Fiery means strong. Strong eloquence means speech. How the Shivaji, young Shivaji Maharaj has given the strong speech. Shivaji was still quite young, but his mind was already busy planning big things. Though he was young, but his mind was big, and always he used to plan big things. He opened his mind to his playmates. Playmates means friends. Who is his friends? Mavlas. So Shivaji Maharaj has opened his mind to his friends and said, sorry, my dear friends. Who is saying this? Shivaji Maharaj to his friends. My dear friends, today I am going to talk to you about something which is in my mind for a long time. Shivaji Maharaj is telling to the Mavlas that, my dear friends, today I am going to talk to you about something which is in my mind for a long time. My father, Shaji Raje, is a Sardar at the court of Bijapur. That time, Shivaji's father, Shaji Raje, was a Sardar at the court of Bijapur. He was working for Bijapur. And what position he has got? Shaji Raje, he was a Sardar at the court of Bijapur. So Shivaji Maharaj is telling to his friends, my dear friends, today I am going to talk to you about something which is in my mind for a long time. My father, Shaji Raje, is a Sardar at the court of Bijapur. It is he who has given me the charge of this Jagir. He means his father, Shivaji's father, Shaji Raje, has given Shivaji the charge. The charge means burden of this Jagir. Everything is going on well and peacefully, but friends, I am not happy. So Shivaji Maharaj is telling to Mavlas that something is going in my mind from long time, but I am still not happy, though my father is Sardar at the court of Bijapur and he has given me burden or charge of this Jagir, but I am not happy. But what then he's telling to Maulas? Must we always remain satisfied as bondmen of the Sultan? Bondman means slave, prisoner. What he's telling to Maulas? That always we should think about them, and whatever work they are telling, who? Sultan. That only we should do. We should we should make them happy by doing their work like a slave. Must we always eat out of other people's hand? Whatever the sultans are giving a work, we are doing whatever they are giving us money, from that only we are eating. This way only our life should go. Who is telling this? Shivaji Maharaj to his friends, Mawlas. We are surrounded on all sides by foreign kingdoms. Who is telling? Shivaji Maharaj is telling that we are surrounded, means our nearby, all sides are by foreign rules, means unfamiliar, unrule, unknown rules are going on, which always constantly at war, means they are always at war, they are always fighting, and because they are fighting, our people are getting killed for nothing during these wars, and family after family gets uprooted. Who is saying? Shivaji Maharaj is saying that every time this, because of this foreign rule, which we are constantly at war, we are going on fighting, and our people are getting killed, they are doing nothing during these wars, then also their family are getting killed, and their families are getting destroyed. Our country suffers destruction, means our nation is suffering harm, destruction and harm. And what to do? We get out of all this. So we don't want to remain in this. We have to come out from this. Who is saying? Shivaji Maharaj. Nothing but slavery. We should not live like a slave anymore. Slavery means chains, not free, hard labor. Hard labor means every time we are listening to them and we are working like a slave. So we should come out from there. How long shall we continue to tolerate this? It has been so long time that we are just listening to them. Whatever they are telling, we are doing. Whatever they are telling, what tolerate they are doing. That tolerate means to receive or support them. How long shall we lay down our lives for others? Again, Shivaji Maharaj is telling. How long we should give our lives for these sultans? Shall we allow this to continue just for the sake of a small watan? Because we take care of our nation. Watan means nation. So we should just listen to them, and we should work like a slave and tolerate these sultans because we are thinking of our nation. What have you to say about all this? Then Shivaji Maharaj is asking to the Mawlas, what you all think about this? Yes. So this much you all understood, children? Still, I have not completed. Little more I have to explain. The temple at Raireshwar was very simple. They have gone to the southwest of Pune, where there is a beautiful place called Raireshwar, famous for its Shiva temple. And the year 1645, and wonderful or great occasion took place, and Shivaji and few Mawlas from the neighboring valley had gathered there, and they had come to this lovely place hidden in the deep forest. What did they talk about, and what favor, means what kindness did they ask of Lord Shiva? Then I've explained you the fiery eloquence of young Shivaji. Which lesson number, please tell me, ma'am? This is lesson number 6, the oath of Swaraj. This is lesson number 6, the oath of Swaraj. I have to explain more, then I will give you words, hard words, and then I will ask you questions. Okay? Yes, EVS 2 exam easy for you. Very good. Good. Keep it up. I shall continue now. Shall I continue, children? Yes? You all understood now? Shall I continue? Okay. Let me share my screen. So, but still Shivaji was unhappy to remain as a bondman. Bondman means slave or prisoner of the Sultan. Our people get killed for nothing during these wars, and family after family gets uprooted. Uprooted means destroyed. The young Mavlas gathered there in the inner sanctum of Raireshwar were greatly thrilled by Shivaji's speech. Now, what happened? Shivaji was speaking with great emotion and his face was red with anger. When Shivaji Maharaj was talking with his friends, with the Mavlas, he was giving the speech. That time, his face he was totally with great emotion, with great feeling, and his face has become red with anger because he was having so much josh about this speech about our nation. In the middle of speech, what happened? He stopped. Who? Shivaji Maharaj. In the middle of the speech, he stopped and looked at his companions. Companions who? Friends, partners, his mavlas. So while saying this speech, he became emotion and his face became red with anger. He stopped his speech and he looked at his friends. The young Mavlas gathered there in the inner sanctum. Sanctum means holy place. The young Mavlas, they all have come together in the holy place of Raireshwar. That is inner sanctum. Inner sanctum means holy place of Raireshwar, were greatly thrilled. Thrilled means inspire. These Mavlas were inspired by Shivaji's speech. They were very happy. They got inspiration by hearing this speech. They had seen a new vision. Who? These Mavlas. They have seen a new vision. New vision means sight, imagination about hearing this speech. Then one of the Mavlas said, our young prince, tell us clearly whatever is in your mind. One of the Mavlas stood and he said, Shivaji Maharaj, our young prince. Who is our young prince? Shivaji Maharaj. Mavla is saying to the Shivaji Maharaj, our young prince, tell us clearly whatever is in your mind. Tell us clearly what is going in your mind. We are prepared. Who is telling? Maulas are telling. One Maula is standing and is telling, we are prepared. We are anxious to do your bidding. Anxious means eager, feeling. You say whatever is there in your mind. We are already prepared. We are eager to do your command. Bidding means command. Whatever you will say, we are ready to do. Who is saying? Yeah, Maulas are saying, whatever is in your mind, please tell us clearly. We are very much waiting for to do what you demand us. Yes, Raje, they all said with one voice. So then one Mavla was saying this, other all joined him and said, yes, Raje, say us what is there with one voice. We are with you. Who is saying? Mavlas is saying. To whom? Shivaji Maharaj. We are with you. We shall do whatever you say at the cost of our lives, if need be. Means these Mavlas are saying, whatever is there in your mind, clearly tell us, and whatever we can do, we will do, though our life goes away. We are ready to give our life also for sake of you and for our Watan. So, whatever is in your mind, please tell us, we are ready to do. They had seen a new vision. Yes. So, I hope you all understood. Lesson number 6, the oath of Swaraj. Oath means promise. Here are 6 main points. Today we did 2 points, that is the temple at Raireshwar and the fiery eloquence of young Shivaji. The fiery means the strong, eloquence means speech, that is the strong speech of young Shivaji. 2 main points only I have explained you, because we'll go slow so that you can understand it very well. Okay. Yes, Bhavya, what is your doubt? Please say. Now see, you say your doubt also and let me share hard words. So children, write heart thrilled. Thrilled means inspire, getting inspiration. Okay, what is homework? First, let me share my screen. You all have to note down hard words, okay? Come on. This is not supporting. Wait, children, let me share this. I'm not getting it. It's not supporting only. Hard words I've made today for you all, but why it is not opening? Yes, you can see the hard words. Yes, my voice is not coming. It will come now. Now you can see the hard words, children. Yes, no? So note it down. Let us read once and then write it or take the screenshot. Okay. Raireshwar. Spelling of Raireshwar. Then extraordinary. I will say you the meaning also. My voice is not coming. Why it is not coming? Now is it coming? Everything is seen now. You can see. You can see if my screen is visible. Yes? No? Children, any child, please tell me whether my screen is visible or not. My voice is coming, Harshal. Thank you. My screen is visible. Yes, Krutad, my screen is visible. You can see the hard words. Yes, thank you, Drushti Krutad. Okay. Now, children, please note down hard words. One time I will repeat the word and then I will tell you the meaning also. Okay. First one is Raireshwar. Extraordinary. Extraordinary means great or wonderful. Extraordinary means great or wonderful. Favor. Favor means kindness, approval. Favor, kindness or approval. Fiery. Fiery means strong or burning, strong. Fiery, strong. Eloquence. Fiery means strong. Fiery means strong, strong. Eloquence means speech. Fiery speech, strong speech, burning speech. Playmates. Playmates means friends. Playmates means friends. Bijapur. Bijapur. Bondman. Bondman means slave or prisoner. Bondman means slave or prisoner. Raireshwar, extraordinary means great or wonderful. Favor means approval or kindness. Fiery means strong. Eloquence means speech. Playmates means friends. Bijapur, you know, Adil Shah, Bijapur is a place. Bondman means slave or prisoner. Then next, vision. Vision means Sight, imagination. Vision means imagination, new sight. Anxious, eager. Anxious means eager. Bidding. Bidding means command. Bidding means command. Marvelous, you know, marvelous. Sanctum. Sanctum means holy place. Sanctum means holy place. Thrilled. Thrilled means inspired. Inspired. Then foreign. Unknown, unfamiliar. Foreign means unfamiliar. Constant, always. Constant means always. Hindi, why? Hindi we cannot explain. Some word I can explain in Hindi, but whole words I cannot explain you in Hindi, no? Uprooted, destroyed. Uprooted, destroyed. Destruction, harm. Destruction, harm. Slavery, hard labor, worker, नौकर के जैसा पूरा दिन काम ही करने का. That is called slavery, hard labor. Tolerate. Tolerate means receive or support or bear whatever the someone is telling. We are going on listening to them. We are supporting them. We are bearing them. Watan. Watan means nation. Watan means nation. Emotion, feeling. Emotion, feeling. Speech means, you know, bhashan. Speech. Companions, friends. Companions means friends or partners. I hope you all have noted down these hard words. Yes or no? In textbook page number 21, you have to see these two topics, the temple of Trayareshwar and the fiery eloquence of young Shivaji. From there only the words are given. These hard words are taken from there only. You have to search it or please note down or take the screenshot. Those who are giving me the message that they are not getting the words from textbook, it is there in the textbook page number 21. If you're not getting, now you note down or take the screenshot and afterwards you can search the words in the textbook. Your homework is you have to write these words 3 times each and you have to do this topic. But still I'm not going, time is there. I'm going to ask you the question based on these 2 points. Okay. I hope you all have noted down the words. No, Divya, why you're leaving? Diya, is it urgent to you to leave? Then you can leave. Yes, Adnya, you've taken the screenshots. Good. What is the homework? Again, I repeat, the homework is these hard words you have to write 3 times. Repeat and write. And page number 21 of textbook, 2 main points, the temple at Raireshwar and the fiery eloquence of young Shivaji. You have to read it nicely. And now I'm going to ask you the question, okay? In which year did Shivaji take the oath of Swaraj? Come on, write the answer in your chat box. In which year did Shivaji take the oath of Swaraj? Yes, Arhan, correct answer. Satej, correct. Siddhi, correct answer. Drushti, correct. Krutarth, correct. Bhavya, your answer is correct. Aman, correct. Swara, correct answer. Atharva, correct. Harshal, correct answer. Yes, Manshi, correct. Arya, correct. Mayank, why you have written thank you, ma'am? Vivek, your answer is correct. With the correct answer. So, shall I move to the next question? Yes. So many of you have given me correct answer that Shivaji Maharaj took the oath of Swaraj in the year 1645. Okay. Next question. Shivaji and few Mavlas from the neighboring valley gathered at the temple of Dash. Shivaji and few Mavlas from the neighboring valley gathered, yes, Bhavya, correct, at the temple of Dash. Yes, Yashashri, correct. Marzia, what is this? Though your answer is half correct. Krutat, correct answer. Name of the temple you have to write. Aman, you have to write the name of the temple. Whose temple it is, that we don't have to write. Was the name of the temple? Yes, Swara, correct. Swara, correct. Vedant, correct. Your answer, Vedant Velari. Samiksha, your answer is correct. Sanket, your answer is correct. Arhan, Siddhi, correct answer. Jigisha, spelling, just take care of spelling. Sneha, your answer is correct. Janvi, your answer is correct. And children, when you are writing Raireshwar, it is a proper noun. R should come capital. Many of you are writing small r. Raireshwar, R should come capital. Okay. Next question. Next question. Yes, Manoj, your answer is right. Who is this? Razvi. Razvi, Lord Shiva temple name was Raireshwar and it was the temple of Lord Shiva. Okay. Now, next question. Shaji Raje was dash at the court of Bijapur. This is Arnav wrong you have written. Jigisa right. Now, next question, please. Yes, Yashashri, your answer is correct. Shaji Raje. Adna, your answer is correct. Vedant Velari, your answer is correct. Bhavya, correct answer. Krutarth, your answer is wrong. Janvi, correct. What I asked Krutarth, Shaji Raje was dash at the court of Bijapur. Yes, Aman, your answer is correct. Mohammad Azan, your answer is correct. Harshada, wrong answer. Manoj, correct. Krutat, now you have written correct answer. Yes, Razvi, your answer is correct. Swara, correct answer. Aradhya, correct answer. Atharva Bhoir, wrong answer. Sneha, correct. Kushal, wrong. Jigisa, your answer is correct. Atharva, correct answer. Arhan, wrong answer. Shaji Raje was, this also Virat, wrong answer written. Shaji Raje was Sardar at the court of Bijapur. Sardar, Sardar. Pritam, your answer is correct. See, children, I cannot take everybody's name. So, whatever I can, few names I am taking. If I cannot take others' names, so please excuse me for that. Okay. Lakshmi, your answer is correct. Okay, next question. Drushti, correct answer. Yes, your answer is correct, Shraddha. The young dash gathered in the inner sanctum of Raireshwar were greatly thrilled by Shivaji Maharaj's speech. Krutat, listen the question first. The young dash gathered in the inner sanctum of Raireshwar were greatly thrilled by Shivaji Maharaj's speech. Yes, Razvi, your answer is correct. Yes, Shri, correct. Satej, correct answer. Aman, correct. Siddhi, what is this? Why you have written stopped? Manoj, correct answer. Harshada, correct. Spelling, Arshita. Jigisa, spelling is wrong. Kushal, wrong answer. Siddhi, answer is correct. Arhan, your answer is also correct. Ma'am, please repeat the question. Okay, listen. The young dash gathered in the inner sanctum. Inner sanctum means holy place of Rareshwar were greatly thrilled by Shivaji Maharaj's speech. Yes, Shivam, answer is Arnav. What is this wrong answer? Adnya, your answer is correct. Adnya Fabrikar. Then this is who? Chandan, wrong answer. Shraddha, wrong. Krutat, your answer is correct. Atharva, your answer is correct. Okay, one more question I will ask you. Who said to whom? Okay. Who said to whom I'm asking you? Yes, Raje, they all said with one voice. Come on, who said this to whom? Yes, Raje. They all said with one voice. Yes, you can leave, Sayyada. Very good, Bhavya. Correct answer. Yes, Raje. They all said with one voice. Who said to whom? The answer will come. Who said this to whom? Krutat, your answer is correct. Yes, Shri, very good. Correct answer. Who said this to whom? This is half answer, Razvi. This is also half. Who said these words to whom? Yes, Raje. They all said with one voice. You know who said to whom, how we are writing? Wrong, this is Siddhi. This is also wrong, Swara. Yes, this is right, Siddhi. Sayyada Sheikh. Okay, bye, Sayyada. Adna, what you are writing, they all said wrong. That is beta. Who said this to whom? Yes, Raje, they all said with one voice. These words are said by Mavlas to Shivaji Maharaj, or you can say Mavlas to young Shivaji Maharaj. Yes, Raje, they all said with one voice. Mavlas said to Shivaji Maharaj. This way you have to write who said to whom. Understood? Yes, Mavla said to young Shivaji Maharaj, or Mavla said to Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, so again I repeat dictation, this homework. Today's homework is what, children? These words which I have given you, these hard words from lesson number 6, the Oath of Swaraj. I've explained you the lesson and meaning also. Lesson means from the lesson I've explained you 2 main points. So tomorrow we'll continue the lesson and you all will learn, repeat and write these hard words 3 times. And from textbook page 21, the 2 main points, the temple at Rareshwar and the strong speech of young Shivaji, you will read and come. Okay? So hope you all understood it very well. Do the homework till we meet tomorrow. Okay? Bye-bye. Take care.